Tyre pressures are good. Chain is lubed. It's because you're on a Ducati, they don't trust you. The beast. Oh! Here he It is Sunday again, guys, and you know what that means. We are out for a ride. It's another beautiful Sunday, perfect riding conditions, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day. More of the same old Sunday vlogs. So we'll head over there, get on the motorway, go meet Becca and Espen, get some footage of what's going on. But for now, let's start this bad boy up. Tasty little morsel. Tire pressures are good. Chain is lubed, and we are on the way. Put cruise control on. Sit here and get to our destination. Right, I'm going to check back in with you guys when we get to the spot with me mates. I think that guy wants a race. Because you're on a Ducati, they don't trust you. The beast.
Go, man.
Italian stallion.
Yeah.
Oh, sh**.
It's all Italian, man. Give me a hug.
How's the Ducati going? Got the Acura on the little Vespa. And here we go. I think we've made this a Ducati Italian day. The Italian stallion. Here comes Becca. Here he comes. Espen's going for it on the scooter. Oh, it's a bit tight. These are easily one of my favorite bikes. Not this exact one, but the Ducati Hypermotards in general is so cool.
Yeah, and put a bit of shelving down one too.
So So we are gonna go for a little ride out to Huia, where I grew up, and we're gonna go get Esmond's bike first. We'll see you guys when we get into some more interesting roads. The Italians, Ducati, Ferrari, Aprilia. Termignoni. It's a good day. It's not the ideal bike for this kind of shit.